Hello friends, welcome to my Coin City YouTube channel. Each cryptocurrency across the world is recognized by its own number of traits. Others, claiming to be the most well-known, advertise themselves as the embodiment of privacy, while others just join the bandwagon. As a matter of fact, the term Litecoin, Lite plus coin, was formed only from the word Bitcoin. A kind of makeshift version of Bitcoin, to put it another way. As a result of the new protocol, cryptocurrency's overall long-term viability has been enhanced, as has its dependability and durability. Thus, on the auspicious day of October 7, 2011, an open-source client for Litecoin was made available on GitHub. The network became operational on October 13 as a result of this release. Litecoin, which is among the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world, is denoted by the sign LTC and is the most valuable digital asset in the cryptocurrency market at the time of writing this article. Litecoin predictions from the experts. While Litecoin's first phase did not receive widespread acceptance, it required time for the cryptocurrency to establish trust and make progress toward that goal. Without a doubt, it established itself as a leader, and at the time of publication, it was selling for $180. Numerous cryptocurrency specialists believe that Litecoin has tremendous potential and encourages investors by providing excellent recommendations for this digital asset, which are summarized here. Since it began to be accepted by PayPal, Litecoin has piqued the public's attention. After all, it has hit an all-time high, and it is definitely conceivable that the price could rise much higher, perhaps reaching $500 at some point in the future. Litecoin price prediction: by the end of 2022. We expect the price of Litecoin will reach $263, and by the end of 2026, we expect it to hit $542. The price of Litecoin has maintained a strong performance over the last year, but many experts believe that the bull run is still a long way off, according to the price forecast and technical analysis for this cryptocurrency. When it comes to currencies, pandemic has made no distinctions whatsoever. In the same way that most fiat currencies have met an untimely demise, so too have alternative investment opportunities. The battle of the surviving giants is still on the minds of many investors, who are debating whether or not it is worthwhile to put money into Litecoin. LTC Price Predictions 2022. This year's main events, along with a significant increase in the price of Bitcoin, could result in a positive trend that will propel Litecoin price movement to a minimum of $260 indefinitely. We anticipate that the price of LTC will be approximately $265 by the end of the year. Trading platforms and individual investors should find this to be a compelling reason to put their money into the LTC escrow account. LTC Price Predictions 2023. The positive trend in the LTC USD price, which began at the end of 2021 and continued throughout 2022, is expected to continue throughout 2023 and beyond. A rise in the price of Litecoin may be seen somewhere between the years 2021 and 2022, bringing it to its previous significant resistance level of $330, followed by a rapid drop in price by the end of 2022. LTC Price Predictions 2024. Logic dictates that the price of Litecoin in 2024 will be determined by the amount of acceptance that the cryptocurrency has gained by that time. The consensus among the experts is that the price will be $400. However, this does not imply that there will be a constant rate of growth. As long as volatility remains strong, it is possible that LTC may experience many negative cycles before reaching the previously stated level. LTC Price Predictions 2025. In the opinion of industry experts, Lieutenant Colonel has the potential to surpass its rivals and become one of the most frequently traded cryptocurrencies on the market. The coin's value is projected to reach $440 to $500 by the end of 2025, according to predictions. LTC Price Predictions 2026. According to industry analysts, Lieutenant Colonel has the potential to outperform its competitors and become one of the most actively traded cryptocurrencies. By the end of 2026, the coin's value is expected to reach $540 to $600. Conclusion: according to preceding forecasts, the most significant milestone for Litecoin will be $600. Despite the fact that its price may vary, the general trend remains positive. This small improvement may imply that the long-term prognosis is more optimistic, opening the door for additional development between 2022 and 2026 if the current trend continues.